View from the top of Quarry Rock. Hike up from Deep Cove, one of the most amazing views you can have in the Greater Vancouver area, and just one of the many pluses of being located downtown. Welcome to Creative Wandering, the home of videos for dailycreatives.com, where I'm trying to answer the question how to design a lifestyle you don't need a vacation from. We covered 4 continents, 19 countries, and 35 cities. Now we are happy to be back home in Canada. Check out dailycreatives.com. 2 times per week I will update the blog with interesting perspectives, cooking, projects, designing a life I don't need a vacation from. Of course, this is not a bad view either. Here at home in White Rock, having a look out over the Gulf Islands and even way out to Point Roberts in the US, just a tiny slip of land. Enjoying the last of the summer nights up on the patio, eating the delicacies from the West Coast. It's kind of chaos this morning. We are getting ready for the party. Grant's traveling right after the party, the very next morning early. Computer updates, laundry, just a whole bunch of stuff going on. It's the end of summer, Labor Day long weekend. The days are visibly shorter now, and we were trying to prepare because the forecast was for rain, or at least it's been so nice and sunny, we didn't want to take a chance, so we have a tent. After the party, I tried this interesting craft idea, which was to take the mason jars, the small ones, and use all the beach glass I found in Barcelona with my nephew Sterling, and arrange it in each of the glass jars with a light. These are solar lights so that they will recharge in the daytime. When it becomes dark, we get to see the sparkle of the light against the glass. And since I've made these, I'm just showing you how they looked inside the house. I've taken them outside and put them by the hot tub.
Sway side to side with a heavy upper body. Straighten out your right leg and breathe deeply to release tension from your hamstring. If this pose really doesn't feel good, then lay on your back and take a figure 4 instead. And keep your tailbone tucking up, knees pressing forward. Focus on creating a deep belly breath. Bring your hands to heart center and thank yourself for committing to your practice today.
This is one of the painted rock projects that I'm most proud of. I took one side and painted whimsical fish, and then on the other side I put quotes about fish. All kinds of interesting sayings gathered from all kinds of places, put up so that you can have a humorous view of fish, fishermen, and all things related. And then on these ones, the other side is Canada flags. I did these for my husband's birthday. And then I took quotes all about Canada. I am Canadian. What is your superpower? I love this as a commemoration. It's so much better than a birthday card. These ones will live with us for a very long time. We were going to plant them on the beach and see where they went, but we decided to keep them. Thanks for watching. For more inspiration, check out dailycreatives.com. See you over there.